Yeah, we do. Oh, Switch sandpaper. I'm gonna use the same clean but different sandpaper. Alright. Since I'm already over here by the passenger headlight, I'm gonna start on the passenger headlight first. This. There. At one time, all this was just done with the mosquito buster and the wool pad. What's up, man? Okay. Is it ready to go now?
Ready to go?
Is it ready to go now?
Yeah. Well, they're still waiting.
What is it used? Would you run it through the car wash for me? And when you come back, I want it right here, so Chris Brown is right there. Just bag him back. Go ahead and bag him back now and put yours where you at. All right. That's what happens when you multitask. This feels good. You put that baby right here, and second step make a big difference. I don't know how my hand feels right now. I can feel it different. I like that. That feels good. Wipe it off. And go over it again. Man, it feels so much smoother. I guess that's why a lot of people think my job is easy. Because people work with me, right? He working with me, you work with me.
Yeah.
All the guys work with you, work with me. A lot of the salesmen work with me.
So you make it look easy.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
When you got the right people helping you, assisting you, working together as a team, anything can be easy.
Yeah.
That's what I like. Okay. Now I'm going back over here one more time, man. I'm gonna hit this, then I go over there. Man, that made a big difference.
Yeah, it did.
Shaving that first layer out. Made a big difference. that off. Once I get this one done, probably have to stop and finish that other car, then come back. All right, let's see if I can get this to feel good. Just as good. It feels smooth. Don't feel as rough. Matter of fact, this deal is just a taste of what I'm talking about. I'm gonna stop and hit this. Just for a second with the third step. And you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. Woo. This is just the third step.
Oh shit.
Remember I told you it smells smooth? I can feel it with the hand set.
Yep.
And that's still a cut. I wish from cutting with the sandpaper to cutting with the wool pad. And this is third step. You got 2 more steps to go after this. Remember I was telling you it felt smooth? Damn! That's the third.
Damn. That's crazy. That's just from cut too.
Yeah. That's just 3. I got 2 more steps.
Holy shit, man. I'm about to take this thing to the wash after this.
Yeah, you are.
It's gonna make the rest of the car
hey,
look
you might
dirty.
you might get laid. I
Yeah.
probably shouldn't say that on there. I gotta stop right now. Get this, but I'll call you back.
All right, yup.